The arrival of the age of negentropy, a decade of scientific breakthroughs. For more than a decade, the scientific teams of Felix Mundy and FOL have endured countless long nights of trial and error and finally conquered two frontier technologies powerful enough to change the ecological trajectory of Earth. Frequency-encoded pulse orbital technology and UIE distributed off-grid power technology. They are global firsts, the world's only and world's leading frequency technology. They have now left the laboratory. They have been commercially validated. This means Felix Mundy and FOL now possess the foundation and qualification to rise to the top of the world's frequency tech pyramid. The frequency civilization era has begun because we are here. Positioning: we are creators. In this world, most companies fall into the trap of competition, fighting over price, efficiency, channels, and supply chains. But competition is an old world game. The true masters are the ones who create. Felix Mundy and FOL are creating a completely new market, an entirely new economic ecosystem. What have we created? Two original technologies advancing civilization. Frequency-encoded pulse orbital technology. Water scanned through this technology shifts its molecular structure from 104.5 degrees to 180 degrees, enabling repair of human stem cells, enhancing biological order, and elevating life efficiency. It applies to drinking water, industrial water, agriculture, pets, stem cell restoration, environmental remediation, and more. UIE distributed off-grid power technology. UIE can reactivate scrap batteries, extend the lifespan of new batteries, and unlock distributed off-grid power supply for residential. Together, these two technologies redefine the future of water, energy, and ecology. Civilizational contributions of these technologies. They upgrade water from safe to negentropic. They transform agriculture from chemical to frequency-based. Food becomes not just for survival, but activating life. Energy shifts from costly and centralized to distributed free energy. Waste batteries become new green assets, not pollution. Developing nations gain energy contribution sovereignty for the first time. And ultimately, they give the world a unified standard to measure life's order. We are ready. Entering the market validation stage. Our Japan HQ now serve as Global Strategic Command Center and Standards Hub. Across Malaysia, Thailand, and ASEAN, our deployment networks for energy, water, agriculture, tobacco, and interactive media are already in place. Our AI operating system and technical pipelines are validated. Our interactive media and IP securitization platform are ready to launch. Our AI training models and database structure for industrial application are fully built. 2026, the landing year. In 2026, we enter large-scale commercialization. These technologies will move forward through national-level authorization pathways and will be implemented through joint venture in Malaysia, Thailand, and other countries. Together with government, we will build the National Waste Battery Reuse Standard, the National Negentropy Water Standard, the Global Negentropy Certification System, GNCS. All authorized industries will enter a new cycle defined by new standard. Business impact. Industries we will reshape. Over the next 3 to 5 years, we will profoundly transform the waste battery industry, reborn as mainstream. Traditional energy from centralized to distributed. Drinking water from safe and healthy to negentropy standard. Agriculture is entering the frequency agriculture era. Food will be based on negentropic vitality. Media becomes distributed interactive media combined with IP securitization. Finance creates IP securitization combined with new asset classes. Carbon credit evolves into negentropy credit. We are not entering industries. we are redefining them. Financial vision, 5-year target. Cheng reached 200 billion RMB in valuation by selling beverages, which are not essential goods. But water and energy are essential. They determine ecological survival, the quality of human life, and whether humanity can continue to exist. Therefore, our first phase target is clear. Within 5 years, with Southeast Asia as the launchpad, expanding across the global Muslim market, we aim to reach a $1 trillion valuation. Capital strategy. Global capital integration. We will collaborate with global capital and bring in JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley to jointly drive the rise of the $1 trillion era. If the universe holds a higher frequency, our mission is to help the world resonate with it. 2026 marks the beginning. Felix Mundi and FOL, the landing year officially begins. Thank you.